Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Anne Sandra Maxwell, your class 4 English language teacher. Children, I had given you a worksheet to solve on abstract nouns in your previous class. So let's discuss the answers with you. Number 1, the soldiers were rewarded for their dash. Bracket word is brave. So what is the abstract noun form with brave? It's bravery. Mr. Kumar is known for his dash. Bracket wise. So the word formed from the word wise is your wisdom. So wisdom is your abstract noun. Dash is a curse. Poor. So what is the abstract noun formed from poor? It's poverty. Number 4, the dash of the child filled the room. Laugh. Abstract noun formed from the word laugh is laughter. The dash of the cell phone is a boon to us. Bracket invent. So the abstract noun formed from the word invent is invention. Number 6, his uncle is a storehouse of dash. Bracket know. So the word from know is knowledge. So knowledge is your abstract noun. Number 7, dash is always rewarded. Bracket kind. So the word formed from kind is kindness. Abstract noun is kindness. Number 8, my father has given me dash to go for a movie. Bracket permit. So the abstract noun formed from the word permit is permission. Now that we have completed the discussion with the answers, now let's move on to the next lot of noun, that is your material noun. Now what is a material noun? A material noun is a name of a substance or material from which things are made. Like the table is made of wood. Wood can be made of table, it can be made of any other material, plastic or glass, etc. The statue is made of stone. The statue can be made of stone, it can be made of some other material. So it depends on what material the particular noun is made of. Wood and stone are material nouns. They are names of substances. So this material, table, this noun, that is table and statue, these things are made of wood and stone. Therefore wood and stone are material nouns. Why? Because they are the names of substances with what it is made. Now I have given you a worksheet for you to solve. See over here. Fill in the blanks with the correct material nouns. In school we use books made of dash. So over here you can write it is books are made of what? Paper. So paper is a material. You can write paper. Most of the thermometers have dash in them. So thermometers, what do they have? They have mercury in them. So mercury is the name of a substance. So you can write mercury over here. Sona decorated the pots made of dash. Pots made of clay. The bride wore jewelry made of anything, any jewelry, any substance name you can write, whether gold, silver or diamond, whatever. The handbag is made of dash. Handbag is made of leather. So in this way you are supposed to fill in the blanks with the material nouns. So till here for today, children. So please go through the work and do your worksheet properly. Thank you, children.